Hello, my Tangle buddies. This is me, Aishwarya, and I'm joining from Pune, India. And today we are looking into a monotangle. I'll be exploring the tangle Bucky, and I thought I'll just make a nice, easy tile and show you the step out of the tangle Bucky. And if you would want to see more of this exploration and what I have done, you can watch my previous video. So I'll post a link somewhere on the left side top. So from there you can go to the older video and you can watch me explore, and you can make notes if you would want to. And so that's how we start. So I'm using my usual Zentangle supplies. I'm using a micron O1 pen, a pencil, a tortillon, and I'll be using my 3.5-inch Zen tile. So these materials are available on my shop zenbazaar.in. So if you're in India and you'd like to purchase and for practices with me, yes, you can do that. It's minimal cost, or else you can just DM me at Instagram at Tangle and Inspire. So you can ask me about the product and details, and I can send you. So I'll be posting this sketchbook and the monotangle and one more tile, of course, that will be creating on Sunday. So on my blog. So once the blog is ready, I'll be posting it on the community as a post. So from there you can find the link to the blog as well, and there you can save the artworks in your Pinterest board, or on your Evernote web clipper, or anywhere. So I hope you have fun exploring this, drawing this tangle with me. This tangle is a grid based tangle and has lots of lines. Majority of us love the organic tangles, I understand, but I love grid tangles a lot. I don't know, it just puts me into Zen mode, or it challenges me. I have no idea, but I quite lean towards it. And I hope you have fun watching the video, listening to the music, and stay inspired. We'll be meeting again on Sunday, so for one more video for this week, and there I'll be playing with a string, a very interesting string actually. So have fun, and we'll see you again on Sunday. Bye bye.